If you look at the power of a computer right now, it's very, very structured. And you hear a lot of things about computers. When you encounter a problem, when a computer does something wrong, one common answer is, well, the computer did exactly what you told it to do. That the computer did nothing more and nothing less than your instructions you gave to the computer. So the actual intelligence level of a computer is pretty low at this point. We're starting to build things up so specialized tasks a computer can start to solve. And the progress in artificial intelligence in some ways has been carving things out of artificial intelligence and people saying, yeah, that's no longer an issue that we really need to worry about. We need to worry about this other thing. So it used to be, we need to really know how to search and find how to get from point A to point B. Whereas now you can go to Google Maps and say, I want to go from point A to point B, and instantly within less than a second, Google will spit you back directions to get from your house to get to the grocery store, or your house to somewhere else. We no longer tell people directions. When you say, hey, I want to meet you at this location, you don't tell them how to get there. You just give them the address. And we've sort of lost the wonder that used to be a really hard thing to do, to really give people good sets of instructions and directions of how to get from point A to point B. So that has turned from something where it used to be, hey, artificial intelligence, can we get it to tackle that task? That's become commonplace for us. The more and more that happens, the more intelligent computers are going to be getting. And there's this idea of eventually computers will be as intelligent as us. That's the point that's called the singularity. If that happens, then it's an analogy to the singularity you hear about in physics, where there's this point where light no longer escapes from a black hole. The event horizon is happening, and there's this point where you can't really predict or see what's going on the other side. And the theory of the singularity is there's this point where we have created computers, created some intelligence inside them. They have gotten to the same point that we are, and now they're able to start programming themselves and push themselves beyond at a super fast rate of evolution within the computer to just go beyond what we could ever figure out. And so the singularity happens sort of at that moment when intelligence from a computer meets the intelligence of humans, and then it starts skyrocketing off.